Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ama Black Rose and my name is spelled AMABLAKROS, Ama Black Rose, and welcome. Today is Friday. It's my Friday day off, and God, it's been busy, so I haven't had noisy, but yeah, hope you're enjoying your Friday. It's already late here. All right, so before I start, I have to say thank you so much to my subscribers. You guys are amazing. I love you guys. Thanks for your support and also the comments. I appreciate it. I have a lot of suggestions from you, and I will think about it and see what I could come up with. Also, yeah, the last time I showed my brushes, what I got from Qvinge, and then also did a review of the brushes, but also I posted a little video clip of it on Instagram. So if you go to Ama Black Rose at Instagram, you will see how it looks. Yeah, but it's on Amazon. Again, I got it for $16.99 without the shipping. If you have Prime, you will get free shipping. If you don't, then I guess you will pay a little more on the shipping. So yeah, but anyway, thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate the subscription. All right, so let's get on to what I have planned for today's video. So today I wanted to show you, you know how I'm a beginner at makeup, right? And of course I'm wearing one of my lipsticks that I showed in the previous videos. Yeah, pink, of course. So during this week, I did a quick I just went to Walgreens to purchase some items, and I saw certain things on sale that I got. You know, I posted this on my Instagram as a story, but if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna show you. Now, you know how I'm struggling with eyeshadows, so I saw this one and I said I'll get them. Also, I got some pencils for eyebrow and also eyeliner pencil, and all these products are from Rimmel London. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let me say, yeah, so this one is the Magnifeyes Eye Jewel Rock Edition and Contouring Palette, and the colors look very bold, so I think it will work with me in my future try on videos. So this is how it looks like, and let me tell you how much I got it for. It was on sale, by the way. So original price for this one was, let's see, $8.99, but it was on sale for $5.39 at Walgreens. So I'm like, I'm gonna grab it because your girl needs some good eyeshadows. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's not sponsored, it's just me found this, and fall is coming, the colors look good, I want to try them. So this is how it looks like, and it has instructions at the back, so hopefully, you know, I can figure it out. All right, now the next item that I found, these two, I will say, let's start with the eyeliner. So let me see. So the eyeliner, I got it for $4.79. Normally it costs $7.99, and it's the same Rimmel brand, which is London, and it's called Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. So this is how it looks like, and I'm so excited to try it too. So what I plan to do is do this and the eyeshadow and also the eyebrow pencil. So we'll see how it goes. And then this is the eyebrow pencil, same brand. Okay, and I got it for $3.95. You know, yeah, and it was on sale for $6.59. So this is a steal for me. Like when I saw it, I'm like, I'm gonna get it because we are practicing, but I want to make sure, you know, I'm getting the right things to look, you know, good with it. So yeah. All right, so these are what I've got on concerning my eyebrow, eyeshadow, and eyeliner makeup that I'm gonna do a try on tutorial on. So look out for that video. And you know, every year I try to braid my hair. In my intro video, the very first video I did on Crochet's channel, I was wearing a crochet. I did myself, meaning I installed myself. Okay, so this fall to winter, my hair, of course, is stretched now and it's not like really shrunk, but it's stretched now. However, when the time goes, when we are getting closer to the winter and it gets really cold, my hair gets dry, and if I don't try and do something to protect it, it starts to break. Okay, so I decided to do crochet braiding, and not the goddess locks that I was wearing in my intro video, but this one is like a braided crochet. So I got this from Amazon, and I already opened the package, but I didn't really take a look at it really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show you how the hair looks like. So I opened it and I just look at the price, how much I got on each. So the hair itself is it's called Maria's Mirra 6-pack 14-inch Senegalese twist crochet hair braid. Okay, and it's synthetic, and it was about $26.99. So that's what I have here, and it comes with a crochet pin, so you can crochet in. So I'm gonna show you. I tried to get, let me see what the color was again. Was like dark, it's like dark brown, and again, it's not sponsored. I'm just showing you what I plan to do this winter. Like, I'm gonna do a hair tutorial on that, how I install it. I don't really know how to use the cornrow, you know, how to braid the cornrow, so I'm gonna just do this without cornrow, and I'll show you when I start. But this is how it looks like. It's dark brown, but as I look at it, it's kind of like really looking black on the camera. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and it's 6-pack and 6-pack, and it comes with this crochet lock pin. Now I have this already because I had the other one, but it doesn't have to get more, so they give it for free, so why not? Why not? It doesn't really smell. It's really nice looking, so yeah. And it's like really little, so I have to take my time to install it. So it's Senegalese twist. All right. Okay. And then, you know how when you have your hair braided, and especially if you're natural hair, at some point, you know, some people keep it for 3 months. I cannot. I could only do a month, and then because it's crochet braid, I'll take it out and then wash my hair and then reinstall it. So this hair is reusable, and that's how my hair and my scalp can bear keeping, you know, braided hair long. So a month, take it out and redo it, which I will show you too in the future videos to come. It will take me a while to install it, but I can't wait to do the tutorial and show you how I take my time, because you have to, you know, plan ahead when you're doing this. And let me know, you guys, if you're natural hair, let me know how you protect your hair during the winter. I know there are protective styles, but what other options do you use? And if you have a straight hair, like, what do you do to protect your hair during the winter, or if you don't need to, let me know. Of course, if you have your hair relaxed too, let me know how you protect your hair. Do you also have to braid it to keep it, you know? I know when I was, you know, young back in Africa, or Ghana, I used to have my hair relaxed. So during that time, I'll have cornrow and all that. But right now, natural, so I'm still learning. Okay. All right. One more thing I was gonna add is if you have your hair braided, yeah, you know how when you're sleeping, you sometimes people use scarf. Girl, when I use scarf on my head to wrap my hair up before sleeping, by the time I wake up, it's already not on my hair, it's somewhere else, and my hair is still dry. So I decided to get this. It's called Ms.Remi Premium Day and Night Cup. That helps to protect your hair when you're sleeping. So I got this, and I think I got it for, let me see how much I got it. Is that $5 and change? Yes, about $5 and a few cents. And again, this is not sponsored. This is what I'm gonna wear when I have my hair braided. I wanted to try it without my hair braided, but I'll wait on that. When I braid my hair, I'll try it. So yeah, it's new. I haven't even opened it. Let me open it to see what is in here. Oh, actually, again, this is how it looks like, and it is really big. It has two lining. It has a lining inside and the outer side with the hairband. It's not bad, I mean. And it's supposed to get to your hair like that. Oh my god. So yeah, I guess you wear it this way and it holds all your hair, you know, whilst you're sleeping. So it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, so that is it for today. This is what I wanted to show you really quick. And yeah, so even though I normally plan to do 2 videos each week, but I'm doing this for now, and I might do the next video for the try on with the new stuff that I got from the cosmetics section at Walgreens and see. But yeah, tell me what you think about this hair cap for sleeping. It looks so cool. Yeah, so thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Again, thank you so much for your support. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy my channel, and leave a comment. I like to hear from you as always, and I will respond as always. And thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. Bye bye now.